The best way to start making money on Amazon is to make sure you have an active listing on Amazon. Hey everyone, Chan here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can list your product quickly on Amazon with just your phone. Just to be clear, we're not going to be creating a brand new listing with product descriptions or photos or bullet points. In this case, we're just going to create a listing for ourselves to sell underneath an already created product. And this method is typically for arbitrage or wholesale, where we're selling product that's already in the Amazon catalog. I'll walk you through step by step on the seller app, and I'll even show you how to create the best SKU label so you can keep track of all your product information, like the product description, the buy cost, and even when you bought the product. That way it'll be nice and easy to keep track of all your expenses, especially for inventory. So with that said, let's jump right in. So to begin, I'll be listing up this product right here. It's a thermal flask that I got from Costco, about $10 I believe. So we're just gonna use this product as an example, and then I'll be logging on to a demo account with my phone so I can walk you guys step by step. So to begin, we'll go to our Amazon seller app. We'll click on the app. Then once we're in the app, we'll click on the little icon on the very top right hand corner where it has a little camera. We'll just click that button right there. That will allow you to scan a product with your phone. So now what we're gonna do is scan the barcode. So we'll hold it right up to the, there you go, just like that, and it's scanned. Now we can see that, hey, there it is, thermal bottle set 710 milliliter 2-piece thermal bottle, blue and red. That's the title. So, and I could quickly see that right below that there's 24 new offers, and the buy box is at $36.96. So for this account, it's already automatically approved. So I could already hit sell if I wanted to. And just as a side note, if you're not approved, you'll get this little icon here where it says you must apply, or you have to hit apply, or it'll also say like restricted. So just as a reference, this account is approved to sell this thermal flask brand, I believe. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and hit sell. So once you hit sell, it should bring you up to this page here where it has a little bit more information where you have to fill out. And what I like about here, this is where I mentioned before that I'll help you guys create the best SKU label. That way it helps you keep track of all your products, right? So as you can see here, you can enter the SKU seller information, and then you could enter the standard price, the quantity, the condition, and at the very bottom where it says fulfillment channel, it says I will ship this item myself, meaning merchant fulfill, so FBM, or you can click on Amazon will ship and provide customer service, fulfill by Amazon. So that's FBA. But just for sake of this video, I'm just gonna create a FBM, so that way, because I'm not really looking to ship this or to sell this product. I'm just gonna walk you guys through this process, create this listing so it's live, potentially start selling this product. So going back to the SKU, let's click on that. As I mentioned, I bought this product from Costco. So what I like to use is the first three abbreviation or four, it's up to you guys. So Costco, usually I'll just put COS, and I like to capitalize. I don't know, I like to capitalize everything when I'm writing. So COS stands for Costco. So the first three abbreviation is where you're sourcing this product from, your supplier, those kind of things. And then what's next, I like to indicate whether if I got this at an actual store or online. In this case, it was at a retail store. So I like to put either the state or the city or a combination of both. That way I can always remember, hey, where did I get that product from? Because let's just say if you sold out of these and you want to get more, then you can quickly see that, hey, oh, I got this at my local Costco down the street, or whichever city that may be. So in this case, I'm just gonna put CA for California is where I got it, and I'll put in the town. You could even put in the town or the city. In this case, I'll just put in LA, just for simplicity in this video. So I got these in California, in LA. So then I like to put another dash. This is where I'll put in the date. So I'll just put in a date here. Let's just say on the 1st, 01, right? On January the 1st, so 0101, and I'm gonna say in 2022. So 2022. Then next is I like to put the price that I got it for. And typically I like to kind of round up a little bit, you know, including tax. So I got these for, I think it was about $10. So with tax, I'm just gonna say for safe, I'm gonna say $12, right? Then I'll put another dash to indicate the type or the model. What you guys can also do here is put in the last 3 or 4 of the UPC code if you guys want to be very specific. Or if this is a specific model or style, you can also do that too. This case, I'm just gonna, for simplicity again, right? I'm just gonna say blue and red. So B and R for blue and red. So blue and red, B and R dash. Now the buy box was at about $36, I believe, right? Let's just see. Okay, so the buy box is at $34.45. So in this case, I like to put the buy box price. And why is that? Because I can look at this listing later down the line and see that, hey, what was the buy box price at? Or what was the going offer at? Anytime I look back at this product and see that, hey, at the time of creating this listing, this product was going for at a low or at a buy box price of such and such, right? So here we'll put BB buy box, right? And you know, you guys don't have to be exact. You know, again, you could round up or round down. In this case, I'll just round up. So it was at $34.45. So I'll just say $35. So $35. Then I'll go in here and, you know, this is where you enter the price that you want to sell this for. So if you want to be competitive, right, you'll put the exact same price, or you could put a little bit higher. In this case, I'll just put $34.99. I always like to end mine with the 99. I don't know. It just seems like it's a good sales tactic in my opinion. So I'll go $34.99 as my price. Okay. And this is where you enter the quantity. I just have one to sell. It is brand new. It's not, and these are the other options. You could sell as used, used good, used like new, used very good, used acceptable. But in this case, it's brand new. So I'm going to go with new. And then on the bottom, again, this is where you're going to indicate if you want to sell this as FBM, fulfilled by merchant, which is yourself, or you want to ship this into Amazon warehouse. In this case, I'm just going to create it as a FBM for simplicity purposes again. Once you have all that done, you're pretty much set to go. And then you just need to go hit save and finish, and boom. Once you hit save and finish, that will create a listing on Amazon and your product is now live. Quickly to note that once you create that product, it is now live and you're responsible to ship that product if it sells. So just like that, you're able to create a product listing with just your phone. And why is this important? It's important because, guys, I do a lot of arbitrage. So if you're on the go and let's just say you're out in some store and you find a product that has no seller, that means no competition, and the BSR is good, meaning there's a huge demand for that product and no one's selling, you can quickly just scan it, create your product listing, and hit submit, and then you're live. Pretty much the second you hit submit, you can potentially get sales instantly, especially if the BSR is super low. So this is definitely a strategy that I like to do, especially when I'm on the go. It's just pretty much create listings on the fly. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.